Yeah. I
Okay.
love puppies because they don't know,
What's going on?
what's going on, so they're all happy and
I'll
good.
go this
Do
way.
you have any concern on Mochi? Anything that you want to discuss or ask?
I find her scratching a lot, so I don't know if something wrong with the food or.
No, where is she scratching?
Like here on the neck. Maybe there's
the
the
collar.
collar. Yeah.
So it could be the collar because maybe she's not used to wearing one. Maybe the fact that it rubs around the neck. Then she comes with the hind leg, and sometimes they don't have a good control, so they might be scratching around the neck. They will not be able all the time to go right to the spot. They will just go around here.
Yeah.
So that might be something normal, but I hear your concern, and I will check her hair, her fur, her skin, and if I do find something, I will let you know.
Okay. And also, how often they should take a bath or
I
wash?
would say once every 10, 14 days.
Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Because I think last week I washed it twice because she went to the mud and it's muddy
Now,
all over her.
if you do buy a conditioner that puts back the essential fat to the hair shaft,
Right.
you could do it way more often. You could do it every 2-3 days.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just get a shampoo and then use a conditioner
Right.
as well.
I used the 2-in-1. Is that okay?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's
Okay. But I'll buy the other conditioner
Good.
too.
Oh, even the 2-in-1 is
Yeah.
it's working. Why not? Any other questions, concerns?
And I try to brush her teeth every night, but still.
Yeah. The other thing as well is like, how do we determine like how much food for this? Like maybe there's like a weight or calculation something based
so
to it.
most bag of foods they give you per weight, per age, how many
Right.
measuring cups.
Yeah.
So please, when you go home for 10 kilograms, that is her actual weight today,
Okay.
see what the bag tells you to feed. Moreover, because she will be a bigger size large dog, I can go slightly above that. So the snacks would be above that.
Yeah.
Or if you don't want to do snacks, you could feed slightly above what the bag tells you to do so.
Okay.
And also, I kind of read some, articles or from YouTube that they kind of recommend not to give water, something, because that might cause.
Water, no, that should be available
All the time?
and the dog should choose
Okay.
how much and when should.
I see.
So it's
So every time there's like feeding time.
No. So
Or-
the water dish should be filled up at least once a day, and every day I would clean it, wash it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I had clients, they didn't clean the water bowl, and then.
'Cause what we have is just a
infections,
tiny-
some-
It gets slimy.
Slimy.
How much water you put in that tiny thing?
Like half of that.
Doesn't matter. What it matters that there is water all the time available for her to choose how much she drinks.
Oh, okay.
So think
So
about
no,
if I
no
have
worries.
a big jug or I have tap water available, then I'm not measuring the tap water for God's sake, but I know it's there. I go with a cup, I drink whenever I'm
Yeah.
thirsty.
Well, I'm just kind of worried because it's like baby, maybe like she's over drinking on it, right?
Rarely we have a situation when they start having accidents during nighttime, peeing in the house, and then I can see why they want to take away the water dish 2 hours prior to sleep. Bedtime. 2 hours prior to bedtime, take the water dish away. But if she never did an accident in the house, don't.
Yeah, she's really good.
In her age, is she allowed like eating those fruits like the watermelon?
No,
like that I'm seeing on the
Yeah,
I saw they are not allowed to eat like grapes or raisins, something
No,
like.
no. So other fruits, it could be done, but again, with a small quantity. She's
Just
just 10
to-
kilograms. Her stomach is this big. So think about that. Everything should be
tiny.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Because she's tiny.
Yeah.
Think about like a human baby. I
Because
cannot give a
we
human
don't
baby
know
the
like
same
if
portion
she's like
that.
getting tired with the treats that we're giving, that she can play more. It's like she's not taking it anymore. It's like maybe she wants to try something else.
Maybe, or maybe she's not hungry and we are overdoing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pushing with snacks where she's like,
Yeah.
think about, I don't know if you have children, but
Oh yeah, we
have
have
a,
3.
We have.
There you go.
Yeah.
So sometimes kids, they would skip a meal, they would have a snack or something and off they go.
That's true,
Yeah.
And they
yes.
will compensate with the next meal.
Yes.
So don't worry, she
Okay.
will, so far she is looking normal in shape, body weight and everything. So I'm going to start now my checkup on her and start with the eyes. Normal eyes. I can see that the eyes are bright. There are no abnormalities in the eyeball or the eyelids.
So do we have to clean the ear like most of the time? Is it safe to like use a
It's acute time to time when it's already dirty. Sometimes you could buy a ear cleanser, so it's just a commercially available ear cleanser.
Oh, okay.
And one bottle can last you a long time. We do have such a bottle if you are interested in, or you could buy it from any pet store.
She just ate her lunch.
Just checking the teeth, checking the nose, looking good.
She's big. She's not like resisting.
Yeah.
No, I love working with them because they are the easiest to work with and they're lovely. She's lovely too.
She's behaved today.
She's lovely.
And we just had our walk this morning. An hour ago, and that's why she must be tired as well.
Solid complex. Lymph nodes are normal. I don't see anything really amiss with the fur and the hair. I would guess it's more like the color. You could
Yeah.
try out taking it off
Okay.
and see
Yeah,
if
we
the
do.
scratching would stop. Because
Right.
if you take it off and the scratching stops, it was the color. That's an easy rule out. Nice belly, there's no hernia. It's pretty good. The skin color is good.
So for doing this pain, how old should be?
It's steady. I like the 5-6 months of age, or you could leave it 1 year. Now the 1 year would allow her to grow up, and maybe that's advisable having a large size. Seems like larger dogs, if you spay them too early, they could be more prone for arthritis as an older dog. So you can wait for the 1 year, or if you are worried about the first cycle of heat that would happen at 7 months, want to avoid the mess, then 6 months, 5-6 months, just prior to the puberty.
Yeah.
Prior to puberty. Dogs, they have a heat cycle in the spring and in the fall.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing by next spring she will have her first cycle. If we keep her in, give her solid dog with solid bones. Abdominal palpation was normal. Not feeling any masses or
She's so big. Sometimes
well
she
behaved, solid knees.
That's good.
Now, was she ever been vaccinated by a breeder or someone?
I think just the one.
Just the deworm you gave her?
You have the passport?
Yeah, if you do have a booklet, just have a look on it. Thank you. No, it was vaccinated
Oh, it
actually,
was,
July the 27th.
Okay.
Oh yeah?
So here is
Okay.
check mark all those diseases. That's good that the first vaccine was done. Today I'm doing the second round.
Okay.
So I will do today second round of the standard parvo shot. And I will do first time ever the kennel cough vaccine.
Okay.
And because she was the one in July the 27th, I will just do one more deworming for safety.
Sure, yes.
Okay.
Because we don't know which product they
Yeah,
use
because we go, and we also go to the,
population.
yeah, and some dogs are, they come
So make sure that she stays on a tabletop.
Okay.
I'm just going to run over to the vaccine and work. We're kind of stumbling.
Yeah.
She's still very young.
So you don't doctor here?
No, there is Dr. Anton,
Oh,
a female doctor who is the owner of the business.
I see.
I am the employee, and Dr. Rankin. And then you have Dr. Mary Coleman, who is a part-time employee as well. She works on Tuesday and Friday. They're in the back, busy with some surgeries at the moment. So I'm dealing with the appointments
Yeah.
while they're doing surgeries.
So you guys looking for like emergency call as well? Or
No,
limit to-
in the business hours, 8 to 6, we are. For example, yesterday at 5 o'clock or something, 5:30, we got a little dog attacked by 3 dogs. And then we did a surgery that we finished it by 9 in the evening. So we did that. Now, a bit rough on us as well because, 8 to 9,
That's
still
a lot.
was working.
Yeah.
We try to help people. Are we an emergency clinic here? No.
Okay.
But we do try within our limits to help our
Yeah.
pets and our clients and our patients. So, yeah, we do try.
So what happened to the dog?
She's here, she's fine, and it was a hard surgery with so many lesions. It was an internal. Imagine a small dog that's 5 kilograms by pit bull. The pit bull grabbed here, and it was a tear on the abdomen, intestines were under the skin. Big mess, what can I say? Bruise and bleeding everywhere. So it was a big mess.
Did it happen in a park or?
No, actually, it was her coming out with her little dog, and the neighbor, some of the neighbors, coming out with the pit bull, and it wasn't on a leash. They failed to put it on a leash.
Oh my god.
I heard many incidents like that in the news.
Yeah. It's just sad when it's
for last time when we went to the park because there was a free cartoon. And we just
No.
brought her into the neck.
No, what happens, there's an unwritten law among dogs that you don't hurt the puppies. This is like, they're babies, so even a dog would recognize a baby as a baby. But pit bulls are bred for fights and they're a bit crazy. So pit bulls I would not trust, but most every dog you can trust because instinctual,
Yeah.
it's a baby. Why should I hurt a baby? Like people, we hurt the human baby.
So it's
you know.
getting.
So this is intranasal bordetella shot. So intranasal chemical vaccine
The nose.
through the nose. And it's active. And now for the other shot, the core vaccine, the core please. Coming here and just
So do they have any
You would say, oh,
reaction.
reaction after?
Rarely. Doesn't happen often, one in a blue moon, and then, you do hundreds and then maybe one would react.
Yeah.
So look for any swelling around the face.
Okay.
Because the reaction would be edema of the face where it puffs up.
Oh, okay.
Hives, kind of bumps all over the body. That would be a vaccine reaction. So I'm just going to pass this to the reception to put it on your certificate, and I'm going to get the dewormer. She can go down on a foot level.
Okay.
I'm taking this with me because I want to
Yeah.
mark down. We're actually visiting here, so let's just mark down what
with the
the vaccines were done here. Do you have any questions?
When will be the next?
The next,
In
yeah,
3 to 4 weeks later.
2 to 4 weeks. Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of vaccination?
That would be the final vaccine for core vaccine that is the normal December shot. And then I would do rabies first and then that would be the final vaccination as a family. Next vaccination will be as a family.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 to 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tomorrow
So-
just do the warning.
Anytime tomorrow.
Yeah, anytime tomorrow.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
good.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
All right.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Nice meeting you
Goodbye.
too. Chicken.
We're done. We're going now. Wow, Mochi's hey. I know. We're going now. All right. Thanks.
Thank you.